Have you ever paused to consider the humble bee buzzing about in your garden? These tiny creatures, often overlooked, are in fact the cornerstone of our ecosystem. Today, we delve into the intricate world of honeybees and their vital role in global agriculture. Imagine a bustling city at the peak of rush hour. That's a beehive on an average day. Each hive is a complex society consisting of tens of thousands of bees, each with a specific role. Among them, the worker bees are the ones we owe our gratitude for the sweet delight we know as honey. So how exactly does this nectar of nature transform into honey? It all starts with the worker bees venturing out in search of flowers. As they flit from bloom to bloom, they collect nectar using their long tube-like tongues and store it in their honey stomachs. Interestingly, a bee's honey stomach is separate from its food stomach and can carry almost its own weight in nectar. Upon returning to the hive, the worker bees pass the nectar to the younger house bees. These bees begin the transformation process by adding enzymes that break down complex sugars in the nectar into simpler ones. This concoction is then deposited into the honeycombs, where the bees fan it with their wings to speed up the evaporation process. As the water content decreases, the nectar thickens into the golden elixir we call honey. The bees then seal the honeycomb with a wax cap, preserving the honey for consumption during the leaner winter months. But honey production is just a fragment of the vital role bees play. They are the unsung heroes of agriculture. As bees move from flower to flower, they pollinate plants by transferring pollen, aiding in the fertilization process that leads to the production of fruits, seeds, and vegetables. It's estimated that 1/3 of the food we consume each day relies on pollination, primarily by bees. However, these tireless workers are under threat. Habitat loss, pesticides, climate change, and diseases are decimating bee populations worldwide. The loss of bees could spell disaster for global food security, as many of our favorite fruits, nuts, and vegetables would become significantly less abundant and more expensive. In conclusion, the humble honeybee does more than just provide us with honey. It plays a critical role in agriculture, contributing to biodiversity and food production. Protecting these industrious insects isn't just beneficial, it's essential. Our future food security depends on it. So next time you see a bee buzzing about, take a moment to appreciate its contribution. After all, every buzz counts.